And even though he had never done a syndication, he started the syndication show. And then he started attracting all of the right people. He raised as much money as he wanted. People had trust and faith in him to close on deals. And so he skyrocketed up. And he could have said to himself, well, I haven't done a syndication yet, so I should wait for 3 years until I'm a multimillionaire, and then I'll do it. No, he started it. He had the gall to call it a thing that he had never done, but he added value to his listener. He brought people along with his journey. He was honest. He was authentic. He was himself. He was real. He didn't pretend to be that he had closed 1 million syndications. He hadn't yet done one. And then he launched a show, and then he got immense success in his space. Everybody knows him now. If you are an apartment investor, like this is the main thing that I've been doing for a lot of years, you know Whitney. You know his coach, Joe. If you're in that space, you absolutely know these two. Actually, Joe Fairless wanted to attract capital too. So he started his podcast in preparation for syndicating. He had done a couple of single families, but he was able to get his value out of that. So it doesn't matter if you've done it, if you haven't done it, if there's other people above you who've done more, who know more. If you start a show, you will get the value that you're looking for. So don't let age hold you back. Don't let experience hold you back. You should still be able to get lots of value and give lots of value through a podcast. And that's what I really wanted you to take away from this. Nothing should be able to hold you back. If you're 17, awesome. You'll crawl in front of a whole crawl. You will sprint in front of a lot of other people that have not started a podcast, but they have more experience. They're older. They have more money than you. You will sprint in front of them, even as a 17-year-old. And if you're 60, 65, 70, 75 years old, you will be one of the people that gets a ton of value to be able to get traction compared to a lot of other people, quote, your age, a lot of other people in the space, a lot of other people, regardless of age, gender, race, color, creed, experience. Having a podcast will help you.